Welcome to Beyond Process TV, your one-stop shop for every kind of incredible machine you can imagine. Today we'll be looking at some dangerous yet incredible machines you ought to see. The first clip comes from Argus Recycling, showing an absolutely massive and mobile shredder. They use this shredder to dispose of old and worn out or otherwise wrecked vehicles that are no longer usable. The shredder, of course, disintegrates whatever is put inside, then outputs a pile of debris ready to be recycled. It can be incredibly satisfying to watch the shredder take in the chunks of metal and plastic and turn them into tiny pieces. The second clip on our list comes from Agregar AG, showing the demolition of an old structure. Not all buildings are made equally. While some are easy to mulch because they're made out of wood, others are simple to use explosives and detonate. Some projects simply can't be handled the same way and need specialized equipment. Here, they use a set of claws to tear apart the reinforced concrete structure that makes up this building. The next item on our list is some herd equipment tilling equipment. The tractor tows this agricultural equipment across the land for tilling, which prepares it for cultivation. The trailer's back end is what really tills the soil by cutting into it with thin wheels similar to pizza cutters. The cutting wheel's angle ensures that as much dirt as possible is churned, exposing more of the nutrient-rich soil. A remarkable hedge trimmer from Germany uses big saw blades mounted on a tractor. This gadget is moved along the road and used to cut down any plants that are obstructing the route. Any tree limbs, shrubs, and other vegetation that are in the way are removed utilizing numerous revolving cutting saws mounted on an adjustable arm. Our next clip is from BTAC. It shows a large saw for cutting through stone and concrete. This large spinning saw is mounted onto an excavator boom and is powerful enough to cut through concrete and foundations. This is useful in the preparation of an area for construction or simply for assisting in demolition. The following clip is from the NextGen, displaying a powerful trenching machine. This gadget is attached to a specialized tractor with a big spinning mining belt that functions similarly to a chainsaw. This chainsaw-like belt is adjustable, allowing it to be driven into the ground and dug up to a significant depth. The soil is dug out of the side neatly into a mound as it digs. This comes in handy while installing pipe, foundations, and other underground infrastructure. Up next is a cutter attachment for an excavator from Camrock. This, like some of the other devices that we've seen on our list, employs the spinning blade. This one is being used for cutting into stone walls. Cutting into a wall like this could be for a variety of purposes, such as embedding structural supports. Sometimes it can be for planting explosives so that the wall can be detonated and removed. Our next machine is an agricultural trash collection machine from the South African business Erdvark. The land is covered in a considerable amount of decomposing trash, such as roots and stems, once the harvest is completed. All of the topsoil, as well as all of this waste product, is removed when the crop is cycled for the next season. The soil can then be readied for the next crop to be planted without being hampered by the previous growing cycle's effects. This next machine is a rather large lawnmower. This isn't the kind that you push around your backyard either, and like many of the other machines that we've looked at, it's tractor mounted. This one in particular is a rather powerful machine, capable of cutting down shrubs, bushes, and even small trees. Thanks for watching this episode of Mighty Machines. If you have any ideas as to what you'd like to see in our next video, make sure to leave a comment and we'll try to include it for you next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us. And with that, we'll see you next time.